Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, rear parking aid. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.